Go! No, go! 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 Go get the tablet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play.
So actually, guys, we're gonna do something awesome today.
He's actually not recording.
Yeah, actually, I'm just a friend. This one is recording, so actually, guys, we're gonna.
Um,
Oh my God! Okay, I'm gonna change my
return
name.
her name.
Okay, I'm gonna change my name.
That's actually my name.
Yeah.
Not, but except for the lapa.
If you know, guys, Lapa is Filipino.
But in
means slave. He's slave, bro.
but in real life, it's like, you know, nerd wearing glasses
You need that.
and everything, like a nerd does. Okay, don't judge me. It's just a nerd, a nerdy nerd, nerdy nerd, a nerd, a nerd, nerd, a nerd, nerd, nerd. It's just nerd.
It's enough. I'll kick you out of the house.
This is actually his house, but yeah, might be getting
We're all
killed
alone in here.
because of
I
our pet.
mean my parents' room, bro. Anyway,
Or actually Kian. Kian. His real name is Kian.
Hey, it's not her name.
Super Nerd King. Really?
Yes, I'm the nerd king, you know.
Wait. Destroy this. I'm gonna make it survival. Wait, I'm gonna make 2 targets. One for you, one for me.
Okay,
It's gonna be super far.
guys, we're gonna make the most awesomest battle ever.
This is not actually a battle.
I thought we were gonna build it.
I'm gonna build the target so we can.
Okay, build a target, bro.
Can you see the target?
What the heck is this freaking thing?
I'm gonna make 2 targets. I am the game.
Okay, this is the name. What the heck is that thing? Oh, nice.
That's the target
What's
number
a
1.
nerd again? Bullseye.
We're gonna make bullseye.
What the heck?
I didn't add the button.
I thought I was the Archer King.
Not for long.
The Archer Prince.
Archer Queen.
I'm the Archer Queen.
He said Archer Queen. Obviously guys. Obviously.
Idea.
What?
Hey, it doesn't even freaking work. Hey, look. I'm gonna shoot it directly in the button. And it's not gonna even work, bro.
Oh, this is so stupid. No! It turned on! It turned on! Just gonna make it. You know what? I've got a button of stone. That is not correct.
Okay.
Excuse me! Mother.
Hey.
There you go.
Hey.
There you go. See? No. Now we're gonna get bullseye. Wait. Where's the stadium? Oh. Here. Okay, you're building your side, actually.
Okay, that is still work. Oh,
I'm gonna make this survival.
okay. The rule is we're gonna get some arrows. And go, but we're gonna do that.
But left the game first. I'm gonna make this actually.
Okay.
Wait. I'm just gonna make mine pretty awesome. My, you know. My stadium. It's not actually for free. Wait a minute, dude. Okay, John. Okay, I'm gonna make it now. Get out first, and I'm gonna make it survival.
Wait a minute, where are we?
Get out! I said get out. Get
Actually, it can be. Yeah.
Come on, go. join.
What the heck?
Let's make actually the most, OP bow, so we can hit the.
Okay, how about that ball we defeated? What the heck, man? It's so many
Oh my goodness,
It's so many ideas in here.
dude, it's facing the wrong way.
Ay.
Oh,
Oh.
wait, I'm gonna make mom. This is your side, just over here. Dude, get in here. This is yours. Out of the rock. And this bedrock. Get it from MCP. We're gonna make this stay on me, not the stay there.
Okay, I'm gonna let my steps right first. Okay. Okay, how about this light? What?
We're gonna build in time. Building time next time.
Actually, bro, it's too impossible to shoot it.
Building.
If you want to build it, it's gonna be here.
Dude, are you not a pro, bruh? Are you not a pro? Are you not a pro?
I'm a pro, bro, but I'm not gonna overuse my power.
Overuse it if you're real. You're a real pro.
I'm gonna use my power. Okay, can you make it to daylight?
No, no, I will not. If you just get here,
What the heck?
I will not. If you just get here, I will not turn it to morning.
Damn it, son.
Okay, he's cheating. He's cheating.
Oh, you're not feeding me?
I'm not hitting you, I'm hitting the. Yes! I got it! Bullseye!
What the fuck, man?
I got it! Bullseye!
I'm not gonna even dare.
I've got it! Bullseye! I've got it! Bullseye!
Oh,
I've got it! Bullseye! What? What? Nandito ako na bullseye ko. Tanggalin ko lang. Tatanggalin ko. Dog, you chicken. Just hit your head, nerd. Because you're a nerd. Okay. Prove it. I've bullseyed my one. What the fuck?
Okay, oh yeah!
He didn't. He
Oh,
did.
yeah. Oh! Oh my god!
He didn't even
You
did.
actually fell for that.
I didn't. Oh,
Bloody hell, your mom found me. What the fuck, man?
baby. Esto lo vista, baby.
Hey, damn it, I don't have night vision. You don't even know.
You know what? I'm gonna even make this shot again. You're not a pro. You didn't even make the shot. You'll make the shot if you're a pro. Bro. Battle. Bullseye. Dude. I'm gonna make this bullseye. Bullseye! Come on, shoot. I've put 100 arrows. Dude. Dude. Do you see how many arrows?
Do the heck, man? Okay, I'm ready.
I'm running so fast. Come in, you know.
Yeah.
Wait.
What? What thing? Oh, what's the thing?
Hi, dude. 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 I'm just making circles. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. Hi, dude.
Where are you?
I'm faster than the flash.
I can grab you
Come on. Grab me, bro. You're making circles. Hi, dude. Just want to show you. Woo! I'm going supersonic. Flash, bro. Dude, that's actually,
Oh,
have a race. Let's have a race. Speed. Okay. Wala akong speed.
Oh, wala mag-speed, bro.
Wala ako speed.
No, bibigyan kita speed potion. Speed potion sa atin. Okay?
Paano man nga ako makaka-join? Hindi ako maka-join mo.
Recording, bro.
We're not actually, where I can't join.
Okay. Is my hotspot dead? Right. Oh my god, I'm so freaking fast.
Meron na the flash.
I'm in the flash, bro.
Let's fight.
I can fight.
Dude, we can fight in flat ground.
Okay, guys.
Dude, get in my world.
Oh,
We're gonna make some OP stuff. So we can kill each other.
Okay, guys. Goodbye. See you next time.
He's not actually recording.
Come on.
Go on his channel and he's not even record anything. I mean, I record.
What?
Actually, join me on Lifeboat.
He doesn't even have a lifeboat account.
I have.
He doesn't even have it. He doesn't even have.
I have a Lifeboat account.
He doesn't even have it.
Just pussy.
He doesn't even have it.
This is actually just, I'm actually.
He doesn't even have it.
I'm gonna make a camera. I'm gonna make so many cameras.
Why do you know that?
Hi! I have so many cameras. Cameras, picture.
Okay.
Click. Click. Oh. Click, 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 click. Click. Boom.
Wait. Can you stop recording? Maglalaro na ako sa'yo. If you pass me that recorder.
Is it actually